So now let's see how we can work around with zoom motion blur inside of GIMP. So over here you can see that I have an image, and if you want to apply zoom motion blur to it, then you need to go around under filters. Then you need to go around under blur, and then over here you can see that zoom motion blur is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that the zoom motion blur is in action. You can go around and utilize the on-screen control right here to change around the zoom level right here, as you can see, and then that is what you have. You can go around and move out the location of the zoom right here just like this, and then change around as well. So I can go around and change around the center of the zoom, as you can see right here, by using the dialog box right here. You can go around, pull the x-axis over here, you can pull the y-axis over here, and you can also change around the blur factor. You can make it small or large right here, just like this, and then pull it out right here. So apart from that, you can also show the on-canvas controls or hide it over here just like this, and you can see the preview as well, just like this. And then you can also enable and disable the split view so that you can see the before and after. So apart from that, you can change around the opacity, which allows you to see the motion blur right here along with its original image, or you can use the blending mode right here just like this, and then mix up the effect image with the original image right here, and work around with the opacity as well. But if I were to go to replace, then it replaces out the entire original image right here just like this. So this is how you can press OK and apply the zoom effect as well. So that is how you can work around with zoom motion blur inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.